Get her the juice after. Boys. What else? Look at our signs. Happy good morning. Happy birthday, sunshine. Are you guys ready? This is why I'm gonna marry a chef when I grow up. I have to cook in the morning.
Tina woke up late.
Woke up at 6. Okay, let's go. Wait, 10 minutes. I don't know which one's our room. Ready?
So you might want to get to him quickly.
On without food.
I can't believe this.
Goodbye.
You hear us the whole time? You hear us?
Are you lying?
Oh, you guys are sweet. Oh my god, I love you guys. I have the best drinks in the world. Who planned this?
All of us. All of us.
Oh my god. How come none of you guys told me? Thank you so much. You guys already.
AT now. Yeah. Why don't we go down to the phone together?
Here, you can hang these up.
So we know you don't eat breakfast, but we don't care, because damn, we made a lot of food.
Success story.
Oh, Sam, I love you.
Now we go eat.
Hey, tell your mom too. So she did here.
Good job, guys. Good job. Good job.
I'm just glad the girls are here because I thought you guys were cooking.